Alright, so top speed so far, 24 miles an hour. And definitely plenty fast in this boat. A little bit hard to hold on to above that. She's running good though. Well, we made it up to the very headwaters of Lost Creek, and there's a giant sandbar there, so we're turning around here and we're gonna work our way back down to the other side of the lake. But she's been doing really good, so pretty impressed with it so far, and really cool to get out here and just check it out. Can't wait to come back and do some fishing up here. Well, the boat did super great. Very happy. Shakedown completely passed. I think we did around 20 miles out on the water. Top speed of 24 miles an hour. And that's definitely plenty fast for this thing. Got a few things to fix on it, but so far so good.